There's probably two key themes that are coming out of the conference for me. One is the growth in the institutional investor in the loan market. From both a domestic and offshore perspective, I think we'll see a significant increase in both the number and volume of appetite from institutional investors in the loan market. And probably the second piece is tenor. We are certainly hearing from those investors that they are going to be prepared to go longer and lend longer to some of our issuer clients, which is a huge positive for those clients.
Well, for me, obviously talking about sustainable finance, but so happy to see so many borrowers and investors in the room engaged in the topic of sustainability and all the funding and financing opportunities and risks associated with that. Look, I think clearly there's going to be further growth in the green bond market and broadening out in sustainability bond markets, and that's something we've been talking about for a few months now. And also I think the green loan market is going to start emerging very rapidly too. So using the principles that have been applied in the green bond markets into the loan markets as well.
Yeah, the key themes really are, I think, just the opportunity, the global opportunity. Whether it be in the domestic market here, in bond or loan format for our clients, or up in Asia, again, in bond and loan format. We've also heard about the opportunity in Europe and the USPP opportunity in the US. So from a global perspective, our clients have given that opportunity.
I think there were three key themes that came out for me. I think first is the development of the market. What I mean by that is the size has grown, duration, as well as risk appetite. So that's been certainly a strong theme that's come through. I think secondly, the other thing that is the diversity of liquidity. And again, we're seeing the transformational year for this Asian bid. The diversity base across Korea, Taiwan, Japan, and so forth, that's really driving the duration in this domestic market and really creating a new alternative funding route, as we've discussed today. I think the third thing that's really clearly on investors' minds as well as issuers that's clearly come out is the repricing of risk assets and where that takes us in the next year or so, given what the Fed is doing on their rate hike cycle. So we're in a new part of the cycle and there's a lot more volatility. So a lot of great discussion around that, and I think that will be a continued theme for the next year or so.